हे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल और वाव इलेक्ट्रिकल। और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर एंड सम ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट आर इंक्लूडेड इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर एंड यू आल्सो नो अबाउट दैट। तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर के कुछ सब्जेक्ट है। सर्किट एनालिसिस, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म, सॉलिड स्टेट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, इलेक्ट्रिक मशीन, इलेक्ट्रिक पावर सिस्टम, डिजिटल लॉजिक सर्किट, कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम, इलेक्ट्रो ऑप्टिक इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन सिस्टम एंड कंट्रोल सिस्टम। तो अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर करना चाहते हैं तो देयर इज़ अ टू टर्म ऑलवेज यू नो अबाउट दैट. First is the current and second is a potential difference. Now we can see the first current. Current can be defined as the motion of charge. You can see here the current can be defined as a motion of charge through a conducting material. Which material? That cause a conducting material. And the unit of current is ampere and charge is measured in coulomb. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं इमेज. There is a battery and here is a bulb, and you can show this electron is passing through a conducting material. When we see the definition of current, motion of charge, then electron is one of the charge. The motion of charge that's called in a conducting material, that's called the current. Now you can see the current unit is ampere. When you see the charge, this is charge is passing through the cross section area per unit section, that is called the ampere. Okay, now mathematically you can see here I is equal to q by t. There is I is a ampere current and q is a charge in a coulomb and t is equal to time in a second. You can see here to we can write the q is equal to it, and you can also read about this. Now we can see second term is a voltage and potential difference. You can see here the figure of water analogy. Now here the voltage is a pressure and current is a flow. Now you can see here the voltage. Water is in a potential energy, that is called the pressure, like voltage. When we open the valve, this valve, then the water is a flow through the pipe, and this is called the flow, it's called the current. Here we see when the here is a potential energy and here is zero energy. You can see here zero energy. There is a difference between 2 point and that is called passing through voltage. अगर वहाँ पर डिफरेंस नहीं होगा तो वोल्टेज पास नहीं होगा. There is a potential difference in a circuit, then the circuit is work. Okay, voltage or potential difference between 2 point is electric circuit. If 1 volt, then we can say this 1 joule of energy is expanded in transfer 1 coulomb of charge between those 2 point. Okay, now we can see here the voltage in generally represent the symbol of V and measure in voltage V. There is a bit kind of confusion. You can write the symbol as a representative V and measured in a volts. Now voltage is always measured across the circuit element. You can see here the circuit. Now here the battery, here the switch, and here the resistance. There is a ammeter used for current, and this is the always connected in series. And now the resistance, we can find the voltage about this resistance, and voltmeter we can connect it in a parallel, and this is the connecting wire. Now there is some kind of circuit load and component. You can see here the element like a resistance, inductor and capacitor. There are the loads. Now the basic element are like resistance, capacitor and inductor. You can see the symbol of resistance, capacitor and a inductor, and this is the their unit. What is this unit? Unit about the resistance is ohm, capacitor in Faraday, and inductor in Henry. We can see this, but we also know about how can the resistance look alike. You can see the resistor is like this in any circuit. Then this is called the capacitor is look like this, and this is the inductor look like this. You can see the inductor is this, resistor is like this, and capacitor is like this. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, और आगे हम ऐसी वीडियो लाते रहेंगे, तो सब्सक्राइब और लाइक कर लीजिए।